Hey, what's up? macStudioA here. In this episode, how to lock down your iPhone passcode and Apple ID. Truth be told, if someone got hold of your iPhone passcode, it's game over. Simply put, all your iPhone contents, data, apps, and iCloud account will be hacked. Period. In 5 easy steps, do the following to lock down your iPhone passcode and Apple ID. So, let's get started. 1. Open Settings, tap on Screen Time, then turn on Screen Time as shown. 2. Tap on This is my iPhone. 3. Tap on Contents and Privacy Restrictions and turn on. 4. Tap on Passcode Changes, select Don't Allow. Similarly, tap on Account Changes and again select Don't Allow. 5. Set up a passcode to secure your screen time settings. Tap back and then on Use Screen Time Passcode. Enter a 4-digit passcode and re-enter to verify. From the pop-up screen, tap on Cancel and on Skip to enter your Apple ID. Notice anything different? Well, for one, your Apple ID setting is grayed out. Tapping on it does nothing. Secondly, access to your Touch ID and passcode option is hidden. Anytime you need to access your Apple ID or Touch ID and passcode settings, simply repeat step 4 and set back to allow changes. Done like dinner. Thanks for watching. Share with friends and family. Thumbs up if you like this episode. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to be notified of the next upcoming episode. Peace.